Hello and welcome to 6.4 Day 1 Factoring Polynomials. So the new vocab we're going to talk about today is sum of cubes and difference of cubes. Our essential question is, how do you factor polynomials? How do you factor the sum and difference of two cubes? So first of all, when we want to factor polynomials, we are going to factor by grouping. So let's work on factoring this polynomial. So then what we do is we can put little parentheses around like this. So now that we have them grouped, I want to pull out our GCF of this one. So our GCF is x squared. And then we have x plus 3. And then I want to pull out a minus 4 in the second one. And then I have x plus 3. So now if you notice, we have the x plus 3 and the x plus 3. So we can pull that out, x plus 3. Then we have x squared minus 4. And I want you to notice something about this x squared plus 4. So I'm going to rewrite this x plus 3. And I want you to notice that x squared minus 4, you can rewrite that as x minus 2 times x plus 2. So this would be your final answer here. Now for the sum of two cubes, it looks like a cubed plus b cubed. So now we want to know, how do you factor the sum of cubes? Well, there is a nice little chart here that's going to help us, and it's a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we want to factor the polynomial, and we know that it's a sum of two cubes. So the first thing we can do is factor out, our GCF would be 5x. And we have x cubed plus 8. Now I can see that this is a sum of two cubes, but just in case, I'm going to rewrite this as 5x times x cubed plus 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8, and now we can see that we have this form a cubed plus b cubed. And I want to start by identifying what our a and our b will equal. So our a is going to be x, and our b is going to be 2. So now what we want to do, I'm going to keep writing as 5x, and we want to write it as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we have that a is equal to x, so we have x plus 2. And then we multiply it by a squared, which is x squared, minus a times b, which is x times 2, and plus b squared, which is 2 squared. I'm going to simplify this. We have 5x times x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. And that's our answer. And now let's take a look at the difference of cubes. It's going to be very similar. Instead of a cubed plus b cubed, we have a cubed minus b cubed. So our formula is going to look a little bit different. We have a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And the main difference here is that we have a minus b down here, and we have a plus b up here. But also to this middle term, up above we had minus ab, and down below now we have plus ab. So now, using what we know, we want to factor the polynomial. So what we do is we can rewrite this. We know that 8 is the same thing as 2 cubed minus, and then 27 is 3 cubed. And I want to rewrite this so we have 2y cubed minus 3 cubed. Now what I want to do is identify our a and our b. Our a is 2y and our b is 3. So now let's plug that into that equation up here. So we have 2y minus 3 times a squared, which is going to be 2y squared, plus a times b, so 2y times 3, plus b squared, which is 3 squared. So let's simplify this. We have 2y minus 3 times 4y squared plus 6y plus 9. And that's our final answer. And there you have it, 6.4 day 1 done. Go ahead and try these you try problems, and then go ahead and write your summary.